Good morning, girls. I came out here to document the sound. It is driving me nuts. It's been going off all night. Did you just hear it? That noise. At night it sounds a whole lot louder. Right now with all the car sounds, you can't hear it as much. And I could swear it's coming from Bernie Mountain. And there is something new up there. I know you can never see the mountain, but I'm gonna try again. That noise sounds like some sort of horn. Like a car horn. I hope it's being picked up here. And it sounds like it actually turns. Like it's rotating in a circular fashion. Because occasionally it sounds like it's pointing straight at us. And other times, like now, it sounds like it's pointing out in the almost opposite direction. Okay, now it's coming more towards us. I'm trying to get you a shot of the sunrise over there. And now it's facing away from us again.